This campaign is absolutely about all generations working together to ensure young people can be seen and be heard.
Our society needs young people now. It needs their energy, it needs their creativity and their innovation.
It's not enough to listen to young people. We need to integrate them into decision-making mechanisms at the local, national and international levels.
We want to address the challenges and the barriers that prevent young people from participating.
The letter the noble lords would have received from the body shop.
And here I'm calling especially the European Union, which didn't even dare to come with one of their representatives.
It's about all generations working together to ensure young people can be seen and be heard.